We got a pot, we got some meat, we got the Holy Trinity, but not Jesus. This is jambalaya. Alright, we're gonna start off by making our spice mix. Got cayenne. Don't be a pussy. Garlic. Onion. Paprika. And straight up Cajun seasoning. We're gonna start off by chopping up our veggies. We got 2 green bell peppers, 1 onion, and a few stalks of celery.
We're using 2 kinds of sausage. We're using kielbasa and chorizo. Traditionally, for a jambalaya, they use an andouille sausage. We're using the chorizo because it is similar in flavor but not texture, and the kielbasa because it is similar in texture but not flavor. But both of these are smoked sausages and are good substitutes. Cut it!
Oh,
I'm
damn.
fucking fantastic!
Oh, damn! And we're gonna peel the shrimp because no one likes tails. Mind the shot? No one likes tails on their shrimp. Peel it. Take it off.
We're gonna get our pot hot and add olive oil. Oh my god. And then we're gonna add our chicken thighs. Oh god. Oh, I like that. Salt. And half of our spice mixture. Once your chicken's about halfway cooked, we're going to add all of our sausage. A little bit more oil. We're going to transfer all the meat from the pot into a large bowl and put it aside. Oh God. We are not going to rinse the pot. I'm going to add our vegetables. And salt. We're gonna sweat the vegetables just enough to get them soft and get them ready. Now we're gonna add our chicken stock. 3 cups. Rice, right? And our 2.5 cups of rice. This is long grain white rice. We need to add back the meat and the rest of that spice. Add your meat back into the pot. And the other half of your spice mixture. Stir it all around. I'm going to cover this until it comes to a boil, and then it's got to simmer for 20 minutes. We're going to add a dash of Worcestershire sauce and lemon, and then we're going to add our shrimp.
Because we're stupid.
Because we forgot earlier, if we're being honest. Stir them in. Put your lid on and let it sit 5 more minutes.
So we're making a double batch of cornmeal. We got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of yellow cornmeal, 1 1/3 cups of white sugar, big old pinch of salt, we're doing 7 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 eggs, two cups of milk, and 2/3 cup of vegetable oil.
Well, we're not prepared for that.
Fuck. And 2/3 cup of vegetable oil. So our batter is pretty thin. Need to make sure this doesn't stick. Take some Crisco and a paper towel and just get in there. Grease it up. We're gonna grease it up like prom night. That's disgusting. And you only want to fill it up about 2/3. It is going to rise quite a bit, so.